Good morning, children. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter number 1. See, in previous classes we saw how to do multiplication on 3-digit, 4-digit numbers, right? See, for example, if we have like 7 into 109 means we should follow the just a minute. We have to use the general method and then solve, but this time I'll be teaching you how to use shortcut where calculation is less but the steps are more, children, but your chances of making a mistake will become very less. Okay, see, for example, they have given 7 into 109. Okay, 7 into 109 means what I'll do is I'll expand it into bracket. Okay, see, 7 into 100 plus 9 I'll do, because 7 into 100 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, because 0 now it will become 700. Then 7 into 9 we know 7 tables directly, so it will become very easy, right? So if I 7 into 109 I am writing as 100 plus 9, right? 109 ಅಂದರೆ 100 plus 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is another method of multiplication, children. That's all. It is very easy and you can solve it faster. Okay, ತುಂಬ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ರ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ 7ಇಂದ 100ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 7ಇಂದ 9ಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 into 109 ಫುಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 7 into 100 ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 into 9 ಎರಡು ಇದಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 into 100? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 700, ರೈಟ್? 7 1s are 7, 0 0 as it is. Plus what is 7 9s are, children? It is 63, we know. Okay, 7 into 109 ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 7 into 9 we know direct tables, no? So we can follow this. What is 700 plus 63? 700 is 63 only. Okay, 763. So ಹೀಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೋನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್, ಸಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ 109 into 7. 7 9s are 63, 7 0s are 0, 0 plus 6 is 6, 7 1s is 7. Okay, see, this is very small number, we can do directly like this. But what if you have big numbers like this? So we are using expanding brackets form. Okay, see, next one also like that only I can write. Both also I can write in bracket form, no? 102 plus into 103, 100 plus 2 into 100 plus 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಇದೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, 100ಇಂದ 100 plus 3, 2ಇಂದ 100 plus 3. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು. 100 into 100 plus 3 into, sorry children, this will become plus, na? 2 into 100 plus 3. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ 100 into 100 is 1000 plus 3 into 100 is 300. ನೋ, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತು. 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ 100 into 100 ದೆನ್ 100 into 3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 2 into 100 ದೆನ್ 2 into 3. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 100 is 200 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 3 is 2 3s are 6. ಓಕೆ, now 1000 plus 300 is 1300, 1300 plus 200 is 1500, 1500 plus 6 is, oh sorry children, 100 into 100 will become 1 2 3 4 zeros, no? It will become 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 plus 300 plus 200 plus 6 is equal to 60501. 10,506. So the answer is 10,506. Okay, this is how you solve it. If I had to do in the old method means what would happen? 102 into 103 means 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, plus 0 0 0, plus 1 2s are 2, 0 1, 6 0, 3 plus 2 5, 0 1. Okay, what if it was everything was large numbers, means we could have make a mistake directly. So this is how you do expanded form. Okay children, for now you would think this is easy, this is not easy, but this is easy when you have much larger numbers. What if you have 10,005 plus into 10,009, then you need this kind of method. Okay, see children, I want you to solve third question by yourself. Okay, 17 into 109. You have to write 10 plus 7 into 100 plus 9, or 17 into 100 plus 9. Your wish. If you know 17 tables, you can do that. If you don't know 17 tables, then split it into 10 plus 7. Okay, they have given in page number 24. Okay, answer. Just write it down. Next main, these Roman numerals are there, no? Just I want you to write next main, which is 20th main is over, no? 22nd main, sorry, 21st main. Okay, 21st main is write the following in Roman numerals. Write in Roman numerals. Okay, see, Roman numerals are given. I want you to write it from here to here. Follow this and then I'll give you more problems to write. But this I have hoped you have solved this for, like, practiced it when I gave you 3 days back, right? See, 1 to 10 to 20 we usually know. Okay, see, if I want to write 21 means 20 idalva, 21. What if I have to write 29? 29, right? 1 to 9 ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 10s 20s 30s ಲೈಕ್ 10s ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ 73? 70 is here, 50 10 plus 10 will become 70. 73 is like this. Okay, so this is how you write it down. I want you to write this only in classwork. Okay children, write this in classwork, and I'll give you this one, and this 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, I want you to write this 4 in classwork also, and I'll send you a numbers, Roman numerals from 1 to 100. Write that in next main, write in like 1 to 100, write Roman numbers from 1 to 100 as in classwork. I'll just send it on the group, the photo. Just write it in classwork children and practice well. Okay, thank you.